how to download Plex movies and TVs application on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download and install Plex movies and TVs application on your Android device. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your Play Store, and inside here just click on search at the bottom right corner, and from over here at the top just click on and search for Plex movies and TV. You will see the first option. Just ignore the sponsored application, it might be any other application, so make sure you are on the correct one by confirming it, as it has more than 50 million plus downloads. So simply select the first application, that is Plex Stream Movies and TV. It basically allows you to stream live TV on almost any device without any subscription. So simply hit the install button and wait for some time for it to be installed on your device. And once it successfully gets installed, simply click on open to open the application, and just like that you have successfully downloaded and installed Plex TVs and movies application on your device. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.